Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to do half spinal twist pose, or in Sanskrit,
Ardha Matsyendrasana.
Doing half spinal twist can help you to improve your spinal flexibility, stimulate digestion, reduce stress and anxiety, strengthen your core muscles, and improve your balance. First, in your seated position, then slowly lift yourself up in awful position and then cross your legs, your right leg in front of your left leg, and then twist your body to the right side. Now slowly lift your left hand up and put your left hand in front of your right knee. If your left hand can't grab your right foot, it's okay. You can bend your left hand and put them in front of your right shoulder. Look to the right and twist. Stay here for a few breaths. Feel the twist. To release from this position, slowly lift your left hand up. Turn your body back. Put your left hand on the floor. And then put your leg back and back to your seated position.